Hello student, today I will show you how to use a sparkling arrays and others function of correlation and regression. Just I first send to my desktop is a correlation and regression. Okay, this is a result of already calculated. Delete all of them. All of them I deleted. Okay, now suppose if you want to calculate your correlation and regression, you have two data. First is x and second is y. So here we suppose something, a question is there is a x data is husband age and there is a y data is wife's age. Now we will want to calculate our correlation and regression with the help of various methods. Okay, my first method is with graph. So first select all these values according that, then go to the chart. There is an option of scatter diagram, just click on that. So there is a scatter of series is actually there is a x series and y series. If you click on it where you have see that there is something data will be happen. You can various format, style, design option. You can pick any one of them. Suppose we pick this one. You can pick this very of chart style, any one of them. Just click on any one design. Okay, now click on this any kind of point and add trend line. Now this option will become, and in this option you have various kinds of option is exponential, linear, logarithmic, polynomial, power, various mathematics option. So you just click on linear option, and there's a two option is display equal equation on chart and display r square value on chart. Actually this will not calculate over the correlation, but this will be calculated over the correlation line. Just close. Okay, you have seen that is a correlation line, trends line, and there is a r square. So first there is a square root of. So this is the first method. Then you calculate your correlation. Okay, now our second method is, if you want to correlate your find out correlation, you also use a function that is a name is correlation. You just type COR, the function will be appear on here. Just click on that and this will be happen two values, array 1 and array 2. Your array 1 is this value, just click on that and drag to the last values, comma. Array 2, just click on first value and then drag last value, make it close and enter. So these values will become 995507 is actually your correlation value. Okay, now there is a third option is also are there, is a data analysis. If you go to the data tab, on data tab there is a last option will be data analysis. If it is not appear in your tab, you can easily add in various options. Suppose you are using Office 7, you can easily go to the Excel option, then go to the add-ins, and there is a first option is analysis toolpath. This is already installed. If it is not installed in system, this option will be appear on this place. So first click on that, then go option, and when you have go option, then it easily appear on this side. So just click on data analysis, and here is various mathematics function. You are see that is a chi-square test, Fourier analysis, moving variable, covariance, various mathematics. There is option is correlation. Just click on that, and this will be series that is an input range. Thus you have input range to this to last value is 39 to 32, then okay. If you see this second values, column 2 and line 1, 99507, which is also be the value we previously calculated. And if I calculate with the various methods like 0.991 square root, if you calculate this value 9954 is almost approx the value. If you calculate this value, that which is r square, this is actually r square, then a square root of this value. If you calculate this value will be appear 9954 and this will be 9955. That is the first method to answer. This is the second method with help of function, and this is the third to how to calculate your correlation with help of data analysis tab. So student, there is a three method we learn in correlation. First method with help of graph, you just select your all data, then go to the insert tab, then go to the scatter diagram, and then equation on chart. There is a r square value, just square root on that. Second value you have find, just function, correlation function, then two array, first array and then second array. There is a second method, and third method you help of data analysis. Just go to the data analysis option, this is your answer. Okay, so this is the case of correlation. Now if you want to calculate your regression, so actually there is no function will be apply, so we cannot calculate regression with help of function, because of regression is will be depends on two methods, is x on y and y on x. So if you want to calculate a regression, you just go to the any tab and just go to the again data tab, data analysis, and data analysis, this option is regression. You just see that option is this one, regression. Just okay. Regression will be ask you two value, y range and x range, because regression will be calculated y on x and x on y both. Suppose you want to x on y, just given this value. If you want y on x, just reverse that value, y and x. Okay, suppose we just want y on x. So first y value I given this value. Now we given to value of x range, we just select this value and drag to the last value. Sorry, again go to the regression option. First input range, y values this, just again click on that. Now click this place. Now given the x value, now this value will be given x value, then again click on this option. Now this two value will be appear on here. This is a b2 to b11, this to this value, and c2 to c11. Now okay, a new sheet will be appear on here. So if you want to write the answer, you have easily see that is a, just click on that coefficient. So if you want to write your answer, you just write down y equal to this value 2.11. Suppose we have round off our value, then x and 1.12. This is our regression value. So student, we have learned out the method to find out correlation and regression.